Hello, dear student. I hope you all are keeping well and studying and completing all the exercises and completing your fair notebook. So, dear student, in the last many classes, I have completed your syllabus in your guided English book also, and similarly in your English grammar book also. So, your book is completed with the exercise, along with the exercises and all the question answers. I hope you all must have you all are maintaining your notebook properly. So dear student, now essay left and your letter and application left from your from your first term examination. Now today I will teach you about essay writing, how to write an essay, and what all the points you will have to cover, you must cover in the examination or in any topic of the essay. Now what you all must have got the syllabus in the last PDF. I have sent you the syllabus also. Accordingly, dear student, learn all the chapters properly, all the exercises. Now you have all the exercises, all the solved exercises you have. So everyone learn it properly, and I hope you all are doing very well. So let's start today's class, essay writing. What all you have to think before writing essay. Before writing essay, you focus for 1 or 2 minutes on the topic. What is the topic given? उसके बारे में 1-2 मिनट अच्छे से सोचना है कि हमें क्या टॉपिक मिला है और हमें उस पर क्या लिखना है. सो एट फर्स्ट राइट द टॉपिक क्लियरली ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द पेज. उसके बाद हमें टॉपिक को क्लियरली टॉप पेज के टॉप मार्जिन पे लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट द essay topic on the top margin of the page, and in first paragraphs whatever the topics you have given, you will write the introduction about that topic. जो भी टॉपिक दिया गया है उसका एक इंट्रोडक्शन पैराग्राफ हमें देना है. यू विल हैव टू राइट एन इंट्रोडक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट योर सेल्फ, तो आप सबसे पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन पैराग्राफ में एक पहला पैराग्राफ में इंट्रोडक्शन डालेंगे. देन सेकेंड, बॉडी मीन्स व्हाट. पहला क्वेश्चन हम ऐसे में यह सॉल्व करेंगे और सोचेंगे. कैसे सोचेंगे, हम क्या सोचेंगे ऐसे में? यू हैव गिवन अ पॉइंट, यू हैव गिवन अ टॉपिक, अब बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट यू विल थिंक. देयर इज thousands of things to think. Now from where to start? So the starting point is what. Think about the topic, that what is this things. मतलब what I am. If you are writing about yourself, then what you will write? What I am. You will write some lines about what I am. After that, how means in this how several things you can cover, like merits, demerits, क्या है, कैसा है, कौन है, कितना है, means all the merits, demerits or the body, mean the basic things about the topic you have to write in the topic how. This how topic can be 1 paragraphs, 2 paragraphs, you can take, it's up to you how better you are explaining. Number 4 paragraph, you will take why you are, what is the objectives of your here, all these things you can take in that point. In this points you can, आपको इस point में किसी भी topic का why का answer सोच करके उसे accordingly you will write the perfect lines and a very meaningful lines you have to give in this. In the last, conclusion, fifth paragraph, fifth or sixth or seventh, लास्ट में conclusion paragraph देना ही चाहिए. मीन्स इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्लूजन मस्ट बी, द बोथ पैराग्राफ इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन दोनों का एक अलग ही महत्व है. दिस इज़ अ very important paragraph, introduction and conclusion in essay writing, because in your introduction is showing, आपका introduction is showing that what kind of writing you are having. आपका writing skill का पता introduction paragraph से चल जाता है. So conclusion is similarly very important, like how you are concluding the topic. आप किसी भी टॉपिक के कंक्लूज़न में कैसे पहुंचते हैं, एंड व्हाट इज़ द कंक्लूज़न इन द ऑफ अबाउट द टॉपिक यू हैव. This paragraph is containing that details. So dear student, now you understood what to do and how to write, what to think before writing an essay. So dear student, please be careful while writing essay. 2-3 things is very important, like time factor. जब हम ऐसे लिखते हैं तो हमें टाइम फैक्टर का बहुत ही ख्याल रखना. यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल फॉर द टाइम फैक्टर because along with this essay you have so many things to do in the paper, like question answers, fill up the blanks and many more things. So time factor is very much important for essay writing. So you just divide your time for all the paragraphs, like for paragraph first you have to keep 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever your time. Don't exceed 30 minutes to write one essay. एक essay के लिए 30 minutes is more than enough. It's the maximum time. Wordings, the wordings which you are writing, which you are taking, must be very impressive and very important. Choose the sentences carefully. You must choose the sentences carefully. ऐसा sentence जो काफ़ी impressive हो, काफ़ी clear हो and which gives the meaning to the topic. जो sentence से relevant हो, ऐसा sentence हमें चुनना है जो हमारे topic से relevant हो, जो topic के लिए ही important हो, जो topic को define करता हो. अब हमें अगर ऐसे लिखने बोला गया है write about on myself, then I will not write that I am going 3 times to market, और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. You have to choose the sentence very carefully because you have limited time, limited option, and you have, in that limited things, you have to give your best. You have to give your best thing in that essay. Maximum elaboration in minimum sentences. You have to elaborate the topic. आपको उस टॉपिक को बहुत अच्छे से डिफाइन करना है. दैट टू इन मिनिमम सेंटेंस. जितना मिनिमम सेंटेंस हो, मैक्सिमम एलाबोरेशन यू हैव टू गिव इन मिनिमम सेंटेंस, लाइक मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव टू गिव इन अ मिनिमम sentence. If you are writing essay, it doesn't mean that you have to write 4 page, 5 page, then you will get the good marks. No, this is not important. If your one paragraph is containing the information of 2 pages, then your one paragraph is better than that 2 pages. आप एक paragraph है अगर 2 पेज के information को conclusion डालते हो, तो that will be better than your 2 pages essay. So dear student, this is the things which you have to you have to think before writing the essay. So you have to practice on different topics for writing essay. So here in your syllabus it's given friendship. So dear student, accordingly I have tried to write for you. You can copy this and you can learn it. First introduction, then what question, then in 6 paragraphs your essay is completing. You may be feeling it's lengthy, but it's not lengthy. Dear student, मैं आपको एक और वे बताती हूँ how you will learn it easily. Like this is 6 paragraphs essay. In 6 days you can learn. Today you learn this 1 paragraph only. Second day, 2nd paragraphs. Some of the students are knowing by this trick, and some who are not knowing, they can learn it. They can know from here. एक पैराग्राफ पे आज फोकस करेंगे, दूसरे पैराग्राफ के नेक्स्ट डे. इस तरह से 4 पैराग्राफ 4 दिन हम फोकस करके उससे लर्न कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज़ ईजी and this is easy way to understand and learn. So dear student, I hope you all will complete your essay today and you will start to learn it. The next one more topic is here for your essay, that is commercialization of education. Commercialization of education is the second topic for the first term examination. So this you have to do it by yourselves. आप खुद से ही इसे लिखने की कोशिश करो. You try by yourselves and you will not have to write this in the main notebook. In grammar notebook you please don't write this commercialization of education. You write it in the rough notebook. You try to write in rough notebook. So I hope you are finding your essay writing easy today. Everyone, take care of yourselves. Thank you very much, and complete it properly and learn it properly. Good day everyone.